And then another good thing to do is you can double left click on the toolpath icon, and it will, if I can get it, there it is. It'll display the toolpath viewer / editor. If you're in the standard configuration or below, express or standard, you'll only see the tool motions. You won't have any of these tabs up here. If you're in the professional or higher, you have other tabs that you can do some actual editing on the toolpath at this point. But if you just want to see where the tool motions are, just start at the top and use the down arrow, and it'll locate the tool at the start point, and it'll just start going through the actual motions here if you want to do that. If you want to do it fast, you can hit the page down and it'll go really fast. So we don't really need to do any of that. We're just going to close that, and we're going to simulate the toolpath. So we'll go over to the Simulate tab. We'll turn the toolpath off, and then we'll go ahead and check our simulation preferences. We got it set to fine. That's good. Stock, let's look at the stock material. These you can set colors to the cut stock or the regular stock. Let's go ahead and change that. We'll cut the stock itself to a blue, and let's do the cut stock, say, to a lighter blue. Okay. And then you can also set the colors for edges, the silhouette edges or the sharp edges. If you want to see where the edges are on the part, we can go ahead and, for now, we can give them just a white color so we can see them, and we may turn them off. And you need to check these boxes if you want to see them on the part itself. So that's fine, and let's just go ahead and pick OK, and we'll just run the simulation. So that was pretty quick. You'll see that we have a number of step downs. If you turn the part on, you'll see that it cleared the flats on these areas right here, which is right on the part itself. Okay. And then also in the middle,